Hello, Joy.
E
Hi.
L Jojo. I'm
How are you?
very sleepy.
Oh, you're very sleepy. Oh no. But we are starting it. It's still 7:29. Joy, what did you do? Why are you sleepy now? What did you do in the morning? Did you play a lot? Oh no. But are you not hungry? No, you aren't. Okay, so just make yourself comfortable, Joy. Don't worry. It'll be quick and you can sleep after. So now let me share my screen and we will start with this one. Oh, by the way, Joy, what did you eat for dinner? What did you eat for dinner, Joy?
Dinner at everything.
Okay. So what did you eat?
Okay. I eat in the afternoon.
Oh, okay, you eat in the afternoon. But what did you eat? Did you eat rice, chicken, soup, banh mi, pho? What did you eat?
I eat, I eat chicken and rice.
Oh, chicken and rice. That's really delicious, Joy. So now we will start with this one. Okay, so let us have a quick review first. We have here wake up, go to school, come home, and go to bed. Now,
I want to go to bed.
yes, that's right. Okay, so
And
now
then
you
stay.
when does he or she wake up? He or she wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, take a closer look
What
at,
boy?
yeah, let us have the first one, Joy. When does he wake up?
He wake up at 7 o'clock. He wake at 7 o'clock.
Okay, he wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, in the morning, Joy. 7 o'clock is in the morning, and of course, we wake up in the morning. Okay, so now let us have the second one.
Mm.
Okay, so now when does she
When she go to school,
Mhm.
she go to school in the afternoon.
Okay. Ye- Oh, but 8:15 is not yet afternoon, Joy. Afternoon starts at 12. Okay, so she goes to school at 8:15 in the morning. It's still in the morning, okay? Because
Nấu sai rồi,
if
nấu
we
sai rồi.
say 8:15 in the evening, Joy, we
Sai.
don't have 8:15 in the afternoon. Okay, so now can you tell me when does he come home?
He, 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 he back to school at in the evenings.
Okay, he comes home at 6. o'clock in the evening. Okay, 6 is already evening. Now, when does she go to bed?
What? 6 o'clock.
When does she go to bed?
He go to bed at 8:45.
8:45? What time of the day was that? Is that? Is that in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night?
Sleeping.
Okay, she goes to bed at 8:45 at night, Joy. Okay, so that is it for this activity, Joy. Now let us have this one. So you have to listen and write, okay? Let us listen now, Joy.
Page 71. D. Listen, point, and say. Write.
Eat, eats. Play, plays. Do, does. Watch,
Watch it.
watches.
He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
7
He eats
o'clock.
breakfast at 7:30 in the morning.
Okay, Wanda.
11:30.
Okay, yes. When does he eat breakfast?
What?
Okay. When does he eat breakfast? At 7? 7? Yes, very good, Joy. That's correct. 7:30 in the morning. Okay, let us continue
He goes
now.
to school at 8:15 in the morning. He eats lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon.
12.
When does he? Okay, 12. You're missing one. 12.
21.
Oh,
21.
why is it 21, Joy? See, let us hear it again.
He eats lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon.
When does he eat lunch? It's not 11, Joy. It's not 11. It's 12, right? It's 12:30 in the afternoon. Okay, let us continue hearing them.
He eats a snack at 3:15 in the afternoon. He plays soccer at 3:45 in the afternoon. He comes home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He plays the guitar at 5:45 in the evening.
Okay, listen now.
He watches TV at 6:30 in the evening.
That's a shape, Joy. That is a shape. You can use your pen, Joy. Can you use your pen? Okay, can you use your pen nicely? Okay, let me erase it all. So can you write? Can you write nicely, Joy? When does he watch TV at what time?
B.
Okay. Why is it B? We're supposed to write numbers, not letters. Okay, can you write? Or just tell me and I will write it for you, Joy. Okay. What time does he watch TV? Hi, Joy.
Hello, teacher. I'm very sleepy.
Oh, you're very sleepy. I understand, but we have to study. We still have 15 more minutes. Okay, can you tell me, Joy, what time does he watch TV?
109.
100 now. Okay, what time does he watch TV? Can you still remember, or you want me to play it again for you?
7 o'clock.
No?
The o'clock.
Okay, at 6:30, Joy. At 6:30.
Go.
Oh, yes. Okay, let us continue now. Please listen, Joy.
He eats dinner at 7:15 in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
He does homework at 8 o'clock at night.
Okay, so when does he do homework?
He go to work at 30 o'clock.
When does he do homework? Joy, look at this one. We have listened to the audio, Joy. Can you tell me now?
Yeah, beep, 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 beep.
Can you tell me?
Yeah,
When does he do homework?
he goes home.
He does homework.
He don't go at 6 o'clock.
Okay, at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, Joy. So now let us have it again. So I will be asking you the same questions, and since we have all the details that we need, then all you have to do is to answer
I
me in a
don't
complete. Yes, don't worry, Joy. You don't need your pen right now. Okay, so you have to answer. You have to tell me your answers. No need to write anything, Joy. Now, can you tell me when does he wake up? Mm-hmm. At 7 o'clock in the morning. Can you answer in a complete sentence, Joy, again? When does he wake up?
He wake up at 7 o'clock
In?
in the morning.
Okay, yes, very good. In the morning. When does he eat breakfast?
He wakes up at 7:30.
7:30, is that in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night? When do we eat? In the evening. But we don't eat breakfast in the evening. We only eat dinner in the evening, Joy. Okay, so definitely that's not the answer. Okay, so you know that he eats breakfast at 7:30. It's just that you don't know what time of the day he eats his
Very
breakfast.
sleepy.
Oh, you're very sleepy. I am so sorry, Joy. Oh no, but we have to learn. Do you want to drink water?
Very sleepy.
Oh, you're very sleepy. What do you want to do? Do you want to sing?
I want to play.
Oh, you want to play? What game do you want to play?
At the cost.
What is that?
I'm very
Oh,
sleepy.
you're very sleepy. Oh no. Wait, we're almost done, Joy. Eyes on me, Joy. Okay, so again, he eats breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. Okay, We eat breakfast in the morning, Joy. Now let us have the next one. When does he go to school?
We go to school at 8:15. I very
Mm-hmm. Okay, he goes to school at
8:15
okay 8:15 in the
in the
in the
afternoon.
okay in the morning, Joy. 8:15 is still morning. Yes. Afternoon, Joy. It starts at 12 o'clock. Okay. Now, when does he eat lunch? Eyes on the picture, Joy. Joy? 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 Are you sleeping, Joy? Oh no! We're almost done. We're almost done. 9 minutes left, Joy. Okay, so I will tell your mom later to move your class in earlier time so during our class you will not feel sleepy. Okay, so now can you tell me what time does he eat lunch? What time does he eat lunch?
That's a startling.
Very good. 12:30 in the 12:30.
In the afternoon.
Very good. When does he eat a snack?
He eats snack at 9.
At 3.
3:45.
Okay, 3:15. Eat a snack. Join not play soccer. Okay. He eats a snack at
At 3:50
in
morning.
no, not morning, Joy.
In the snack.
Okay, in the afternoon, Joy. Always remember it, Joy. Now, when does he play soccer?
Always sleepy. I'm very sleepy.
Oh no, sorry, Joy.